Noah's Deep Zero 2% Salicylic Acid Exfoliant. If you heard about this one, make sure that you watch this video dahil sasabihin ko lahat ng dapat nyo munang malaman about this product. So I will break this video into several parts. If you're familiar with BHA or salicylic acid, you can go to the chapters of this video where I break down this product. Pero I want to start with the basics so that alam mo kung para saan to, ano bang ginagawa nito sa skin, para sa iyo ba yung mga ganitong products, and paano ba to gamitin. Para ikaw mismo, you know what to expect. First is what is an exfoliant. Second is what is salicylic acid. Anong meron sa 2%? Magpo-purging ka ba dito? How to use it? How much is this product? And para kanino tong product na to? So let's start off with what is an exfoliant. Believe it or not, nakaka-receive pa rin ako ng mga questions like,
ano ba yung exfoliate?
Basically, in layman's term, yung pinakamadaling kaya kong i-explain is just like yung paghihilod or pagsa-scrub natin pag naliligo tayo. If hindi ka magsa-scrub or maghihilod ng katawan mo, let's say isang linggo or isang buwan, for sure marami ka ng libag niyan, right? Ayun yung mga dead skin cells, ayun yung mga dapat na i-scrub natin sa katawan. Sa face natin, ganun din. We need to exfoliate the dead skin cells on a regular basis because isa yan sa mga major reasons why you suffer from pimple and acne, whiteheads and blackheads. Pero sa case ng face natin, we use chemical exfoliators because mas effective ito at hindi ito nagko-cause ng mga micro tears sa balat natin. Hindi nasusugatan yung balat natin. Now, may isang klase ng exfoliant na kung saan hindi lang yung ibabaw ng skin natin yung na-exfoliate niya, kundi nagpe-penetrate din siya deeper inside our pores, and that is what we call salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a type of BHA or beta-hydroxy acid. Isang chemical to na oil-soluble, meaning kaya nitong humalo sa oil ng skin natin, which means deeper or mas malalim yung magagawa niyang exfoliation. I'll show you an illustration kung anong ginagawa ng salicylic acid sa pores natin. As you can see, inside our pores, pwedeng matrap yung mga dead skin cells, yung mga excess oils, especially if oily skin ka, and also dirt and bacteria. So your pores get clogged. Parang barado siya, kaya tayo nagkaka-acne or closed comedones, whiteheads, and blackheads. Salicylic acid can dissolve these things and unclog your pores to prevent future pimples and blackheads. Once your pores are deeply cleansed and exfoliated on a regular basis, mapapansin mo na your skin looks tighter, mas maliit na yung appearance ng pores, medyo glowing na siya. Those are the effects that you will see using salicylic acid. Why 2%? So in skincare, 2% is the highest percentage na safe sa skin. Most of the products only uses 0.5 to 1%, pero there are more potent exfoliants na gumagamit ng 2% for the sole purpose of deep exfoliation. Just like the Paula's Choice 2% BHA, sobrang sikat na sikat nito as in, kaso yun lang, sobrang mahal niya lang talaga. And you're also exposed to the risk na baka makakuha ka ng fake na item online. This is just a decant. Bumili ako ng decant nito dahil once a week ko lang naman siya ginagamit. For trial lang muna din. And also, medyo pricey nga kasi siya. So I don't wanna buy the full bottle na nasa parang 2,000 plus. Mamaya hindi naman okay sa skin ko. I'd better try decant first. Ito yung ultimate solution for you, 2% BHA or 2% salicylic acid. Lalo na if you're suffering from blackheads. Which leads me to the next part, which is, if mataas pala siya sa 2%, hindi ba ako mag-i-irritate? Hindi ba yan nakaka-purge? If you don't know what purging is, I have a separate video about that. Lahat na dapat yung malaman about purging. I'll put it somewhere in here so you can watch it after this video. So purging, 2 conditions. Number 1, if first-timer ka sa exfoliants. Number 2, if first-timer ka sa gantong kataas na percentage. Then purging can likely happen. Pwede siyang mangyari dahil papalabasin niya muna yung mga blemishes inside our skin. And then it will reveal yung best skin na meron ka, yung best skin condition mo na baka hindi mo pa nakikita. Pero ang tanong, gaano ba katagal ang purging? Yung purging can last up to maximum of 3 weeks. Now, in the case of Deep Zero, this is what separates this product from the rest of the exfoliants that I've tried. Itong Deep Zero is water-based and non-stinging. Wala siyang sting. Unlike, for example, this Paula's Choice and other exfoliants na may 2% ganong kataas, may stinging sensation siya, which is normal for high percentage of salicylic acid. Pero Noah was able to create a no sting formula despite of it being a high percentage. Siguro in a separate video gagawa ko ng side-by-side comparison between Paula's Choice and Deep Zero. But for now, I want you to know na water-based lang siya, wala siyang sting. Isa pa nagustuhan ko sa Deep Zero is meron siyang Centella asiatica. Para saan naman yun? It hydrates your skin and also it calms the redness. Kung meron ka mga irritation, inflammation, yung mga namumulang pimple or acne, Centella asiatica can help you to calm those redness. And in this case, hindi ka makakaranas ng redness kahit mataas na percentage siya ng BHA because of the Centella asiatica. Because again, that's the tendency if you're using high percentage of salicylic acid, magsisting yan, magre-redness yan. Although for a few seconds lang naman. The only feeling that I get, and you will get as well, is the tightening effect. After mo siyang i-apply sa skin, after a few seconds, pag natuyo na siya, you will feel yung skin tightening effect. And then, kapag tumingin ka sa salamin, you can actually see that your skin is kind of glowing and parang tightened yung skin mo. And yung pores mo will look smaller. If you don't believe me, just try it for yourself. It's amazing. So by this time, baka excited ka na to try this Deep Zero. But the next question is, paano ba ito gamitin? Paano ba siya gamitin at saan siyang order ng skincare routine? Basically, after cleanser, after mo maghilamos using your favorite cleanser, once natuyo na yung skin mo, that's the time to use the Deep Zero Exfoliant. Preferably, you should use a cotton pad para mag-assist sa exfoliation. Basahin nyo lang yung cotton pad or cotton balls and then apply it directly sa face. Pwede siyang cleanser, toner, exfoliator, and then moisturizer. Or if you don't use a toner, pwede naman cleanser, exfoliator, and then moisturizer. Tuwing kailan mo naman ito gagamitin? Twice a week, only at night time. Every 3 days sa gabi. Alright? Now, how much is Deep Zero? This is 297 pesos for a 50 ml bottle. It will probably last you mga 3 to 4 months, I think, since twice a week mo lang naman siya gagamitin. Para kanino tong Deep Zero? If you have a lot of acne and pimples, you're suffering from blackheads, you have large pores, I highly recommend you try Deep Zero. Ipo-provide ko as usual yung link ng product na to sa description ng video. And upon watching this video, there's a chance na baka pagpunta mo ron sa link nila, baka sold out siya dahil ang bilis maubos na ang stocks nila. Lagi nyo na lang siyang abangan. Follow nyo lang din sila sa Instagram. Pero a few days ago, nakita ko sa post nila sa Instagram na kaka-restock lang nila. If this video helped you, please smash the like button below and join our community by hitting the subscribe button if you're into skincare, men's grooming, fashion, and perfumes. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace.